What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera flash grayed out in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So if your camera flash icon is grayed out, it means your battery is below 20%. So when your battery goes below 20%, then some of your mobile features stop working to store more battery. So make sure your battery is charged above 20%, and when the battery is charged above 20%, you will be able to fix the camera flash grayed out issue. So that's how you can fix the camera flash grayed out issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.